Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to unveil 5 of the most fun and practical inventions. Wrap the foil around the charger wire. When removing the foil from the cable, pay attention that the foil does not open, and then use a tool to completely close one of the ends of the foil. Add some hot glue to the ice cream stick. We attach the foil to the ice cream stick. To make it more resistant, we tie the foil to the popsicle stick using a wire. We separate the extra wires and repeat this step again. Add thermal glue to the lighter. And we connect the created parts together. To make it stronger again, we connect the ice cream stick to the lighter using a wire. Pour some match sulfur into the foil. A matchstick is placed inside the foil as an arrow, and we light the lighter until the arrow is fired. We separate some of the foil. Cut the foil as shown in the video. Solder a copper wire to the bottom of the foil. We wrap the extra foil around the wire. Add hot glue to the inside of the wooden clip. And we connect the foil to the inside of the clip and connect the outer parts to the clip. If you like the video so far, please subscribe for support. We connect the wire to the body. We connect the clip to the circuit. As you can see, we made a switch for our circuit using a wooden clip, which works well. In this part, we are going to make fire arrows using matches. According to the video, the matches are placed inside their box. We adjust the matches so that one of them is higher. We separate the amount of matches so that it can be easily placed in its place. As you can see, by lighting a match, the fireball will be thrown quickly. In this part, I am going to make a lighter using the 9V battery that I made earlier. Here we solder the battery compartment to place the rest of the components. Solder the voltage on/off switch to the battery. As in the video, we solder the copper wire to the battery, and we solder another copper wire to the key, and we place the copper wires facing each other. We use nickel chrome wire for better voltage transmission. we connect nickel chrome wire to copper wires. As you can see, the electric lighter works properly, and this is because of the nickel chrome wire that can withstand a lot of heat. In this part, he will learn how to make a rope with recycled bottles. Using a razor or a knife, cut the bottle cap in half. We bend the bottle cap that we cut in half like in the video and pass the knife through the middle like in the video. And we pass the bottle through the middle of the red door to cut some of the bottle with a knife. And in this part, a rope is prepared to connect the devices together. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.